وقف الخلق ينظرون جميعا كيف أبني قواعد المجد وحدي.
In 1978, and after years of domination by international offshore services companies in Egypt, three founding partners, Magid Nadim, Asa Elish, and Magdi Zaid, decided with solid determination to put their hands together and overcome the highly complex and capital-intensive industry, and establish a company that brings together national top talent and prove the effect of untapped Egyptian potential. And that was the beginning of Maridive. With that promising start, the founders began expanding and establishing subsidiaries in the marine sector, as well as the offshore construction and services sector, ranging from subsea pipelaying, commercial diving, to seabed surveying, rig positioning, platform installations, and many other services. Over the years, the company fleet grew from one vessel to become the largest in the region, with assets over 60 marine vessels and offshore units, and a family network of more than 3,000 employees in 25 countries, expanding from Brazil and Venezuela to India and Malaysia. With the same dedication and determination, Maridive successfully withstood the industry's toughest years in history and managed to hold on while other global market leaders collapsed. The group's employees, who we consider our most valuable asset and the heart and soul of the company, remained intact during the upheavals, especially during and after the revolution. Maridive stands now as one of the strongest firms in the region in this sector, with investments reaching over $1 billion. We are once again growing to be a driving force behind the rise of the regional energy hub in Egypt. We have never stopped seizing opportunities to upgrade and expand our fleet. Now, our integrated service offering is stronger than ever before, with a wide range of services allowing us to truly embody our vision. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, sacrifice, and most of all, love to what we do. Endless sea, endless growth.